Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to send a message with balloon or how to send the message with the special effects on iPhone. You can see. So let me show you how to do this one. First of all, open the message application and you can create a conversation or you can open a existing conversation. Now you need to type any message here, otherwise you can insert any images, link, anything. Okay, after do like this one. Now tap on the up arrow, press and hold this up button. Now tap on the option screen. You can see some effect. So if you want to send the message with balloons, then swipe right. So here you can see. Okay, so if you want to apply this effect to your message, then tap on this button. If you want to cancel this one, tap on this into button. So here I am going to apply this one. For this, tap on the up button. Now you can see the message is sent with this balloon. You can replay this one also. Let me show you. You can see, right? So simply in this way you can send a message with balloons or special effects on iPhone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.